here we go then. So welcome to Round Rock Honda's YouTube channel. Today we are sitting in a Boost Blue Civic Type R. It is quite nice. It's a rather nice treat because I've got Aryan and Chai who are looking to buy the vehicle from us, and they have permitted me to take it for a test drive. So I love the red seat belts. Yeah, pretty darn cool. It's a lovely humid day here today, so I'm kind of sweating like a crazy fool, but we've got the AC on, hopefully not too loud for you. We are in normal drive mode. Sorry, we're in R plus mode. We'll put it in sport and just take it for a little test drive. Quick demo drive around the block. It's the first one we've done in a Type R. As I said, this is the Boost Blue. It's a 2021 model, and it is superbly equipped. Guys, you're welcome to talk. Since you're sitting in the car with me, if there's anything that you want to know and I can answer, let me know. But a little guest drive, test drive today, I guess. So you can also rate my abilities. We've had the car running for about 5 minutes, just warmed up. We've got 13 miles on the clock, and the gauge is set to the turbo and, the accelerator and brake pressure in the center. Crazy Alcantara steering wheel with the flat bottom. Brakes are super sensitive, which I guess is not a bad thing. Shift has changed a little bit for the 21 model. Correct. It does not shift like any other Civic.
Great.
Especially those with a CVT transmission.
Yeah.
Well, it gets up and goes, and it is well planted. I love the little shift indicator on the top left. That's nice.
Has good power to it.
Feel good in the back?
It does.
No wheel slippage under that acceleration. And as quiet as it is when it's ticking over, it's actually it's got a nice little like 4-cylinder grunt. It's like the old VTEC of old. As you get higher up the rev band, I think we were just shy of 6. So now this also has all of the safety features as well, so I could set adaptive cruise control, follow the car in front. I could increase that to 45 and just let the car do its thing. I could put lane keeping assist on if I wanted to. So whilst this could be the fun machine that we drive, it can also be the easy, just let it do itself type machine as well. So kind of nice. Seats feel, I don't know about you on your passenger side, but how do you feel on the passenger side seat?
Oh, I feel really snug in here, really held in.
It's, I guess it's got the right amount of feel to it behind the steering wheel. I'm just going to, oh, that's nice. It automatically blips the throttle for us.
How's it feel around the corner?
That felt good. I'm guess you got pulled around a bit in the back, but that automatically blipped for me from 4th to 3rd as I went around there, which was nice.
You seem like an amazing manual driver.
Say again?
So it makes you seem like
Oh,
a great man.
yeah. I'll just pin it around here. Bit of turbo whistle there, nice. It's easy. It really is easy to drive. It's not a car that's going to get away from you. Not unless you're completely nuts. I didn't think he was going to stop for us, did you?
Oh, wow.
Yeah. I love his sticker though, positivity.
It feels really quick for 300 horsepower.
Yeah, this is a third gear pull. That's 100% throttle. And I can see why you're thinking about buying one. Having never driven one before, since everyone we've had has always literally been sold so quickly. So thank you for letting me drive it. It's meant to be driven for sure. I like the weight of the steering wheel as well. I'm getting used to this Alcantara. Feels like there's that little blip on the downshift again. You're right, it does make my manual driving look more superior than it normally is. But back at the dealership, just little 3-mile test drive, and
It's surprisingly good over the speed bumps.
And this is just in sport mode, so we're not in comfort. And I'm guessing that it's probably a little bit more comfortable. Throttle's very delicate just at low rev. It's just trying to find that balance in it. Again, professional drivers go, we got this.
How does the clutch feel? Is it light, heavy?
It's got enough weight to it to know where it is. Compared to, so you mentioned Chai in the back, sitting here. You said that does it drive like any other manual Civic? The answer is no. Sincerely no, and thank goodness.
Yeah.
The gearboxes in manual Civics and when we had the manual Accords were nice, but the clutch in this is really weighted nicely. It springs out, and you can, like, I've never driven one of these, so I was wanting to know where the bite point was, and it's kind of instinctive that you know where it is, even though I haven't driven one before. Fortunately, I never stalled it, so that's good. But
It's always a good thing.
it is, especially when making a video, and you've got people watching and taking part in it. This is model 43954, the production of said vehicle, and in terms of performance, I like it a lot. In terms of equipment, we've got Honda sensing, we've got the Apple CarPlay, Android Auto as standard, Garmin navigation here, also standard, dual zone climate control with the automatic climate sensor on there, electronic park brake. It's the only thing I kind of miss is a proper handbrake, but hey, that's nice. Put your foot down to release and push the button. Brake hold, anytime you've got the vehicle on with your seatbelt on, you'll see a brake hold system come up, and if we were to pull the vehicle forwards, bring it to a complete stop, you'll see a little hold light down here, and I could put this in neutral, take my foot off the clutch, take my foot off the brake, and the vehicle's being held. It's physically got its park brake on until I put my foot down, put it in gear, and as soon as I lift and tap the throttle, it releases for us. So it's a nice feature in stop-start traffic for sure if you're just knocking it into neutral. But it's a real nice ride, and I can sincerely see why enthusiasts of the R badge and the R models love this car, and it's one of those that, yeah, it's a glorified Civic, but there's a lot gone on under the hood. Suspension, brakes, the whole engineering side of it, I really appreciate. Any questions from you guys?
No, not really. That was about it for me.
That's good, because I couldn't say I would answer them, but I'd try. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate you both for a little drive out. Yeah, we'll go and shoot some nice pictures on the outside and stick this together. Thanks very much.